Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best meal replacement powder. Here are the top 3 meal replacement powder that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Soylent Complete Nutrition Meal Replacement Powder. This meal replacement powder is an original, plant-based, complete nutrition formula that can be used by bikers, campers and other individuals. It is a reliable food supplement that allows a quick, convenient, rich and creamy meal replacement and nutritional supplement. This nutrient-dense, protein shake provides the optimum vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and carbohydrates the body needs to thrive. It contains all 9 essential amino acids that help support lean muscle mass maintenance, strength and energy. Soylent Meal Replacement Powder ensures proper working of the immune system and heart health support, providing the right dose of antioxidants. At number 2. Garden of Life Raw Organic Meal Replacement Powder. This meal powder contains 20 grams of clean, organic plant protein with 44 superfoods including organic grass juices, fruits and veggies. It is a power-packed meal replacement supplement that is the perfect choice for post-workout recovery to help build lean muscles and boost energy. This powder is packed with 21 vitamins and minerals to render the required nutrients and is a perfect option for outdoor enthusiasts. It is a tasty, smooth protein shake which comes with antioxidants, probiotics and enzymes for easy digestion and proper workability. Its ingredients include organic, pea protein, amaranth, buckwheat, quinoa, vegetables, fruits, and different types of enzymes. At number 1. Vega 1 Nutritional Shake Vegan Protein Powder. This meal replacement powder is all-in-one plant-based protein powder made from real, whole food ingredients to ensure a healthy growth. It contains 20 grams of premium, plant-based protein from pea, hemp and flax for a complete amino acid profile for the body. This protein enhancer gives 50% daily intake of vitamins and minerals from broccoli, kale, spirulina, strawberries and more. Vega 1 powder is a non-GMO product, vegan certified, low glycemic, gluten-free, and made without dairy, whey or soy ingredients. Vega 1 is certified by Vegan Action to be made without any animal ingredients, including dairy, eggs and honey. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.